In your house 屋企呢間屋客廳 living room 客廳我喺客廳呢度有 Here we have 呢度有 Number 1天花板天花板天花板牆牆牆紅色嘅牆白色嘅天花板Here 地板地板地板啡色嘅地板啡色嘅地板呢個窗窗窗好細嘅窗呢個5茶几茶几茶几 tea table lower table in French la table bar 茶几I don't like to have 茶几 blocking the way 茶几Number 6 is this one sofa just like sofa Number 7 it's like a 軟剪凳 it's called 軟剪凳not very commonly used 軟剪凳軟 is soft or looks soft 剪 is the mat the soft mat 凳 is the chair 凳 is a very useful general word for anything you can sit on 凳係啦but sofa is different sofa is sofa then it has something that we don't have 我哋冇呢個There should be an air conditioning somewhere air conditioning is 冷氣機and if it's like air conditioning the environment then it's 冷氣開冷氣 turn on the AC 開冷氣and the last one is 畫there's more 畫measure word is 幅一幅畫How come there's 10 Number 10 第十係呢個 switch the night switch 燈嘅開關 The switch is 開關 The switch 燈嘅開關 And then the 11電視 And 12地氈地板地氈盆栽 I know it like 盆栽 in French it's like a Japanese word too 扶手椅 It's like a armchair 扶手椅 You can put your hand there and 壁燈，壁燈，壁燈。呢個係 cushion 係坐墊啊，坐墊。Or we just simply say cushion， 坐墊。呢個係櫃啊 ，such a big thing。櫃啊，櫃啊 ，the word 櫃。And this is drawer，small drawers。櫃桶係啦，櫃桶，櫃桶。Okay, once again， 天花，牆，地板，窗，茶几，梳化，軟墊凳。We don't have this one。軟墊凳，畫就係嗰個 switch， 燈嘅開關，電視，地氈，盆栽，扶手椅 cushion， 坐墊，櫃桶 drawer， 櫃桶。Okay, now we have a test. Like I'm circling some of it. 呢個點講畫？呢個點講茶几？呢個點講櫃？ Or if it's for your clothes, then it's 衣櫃。 If under the TV, then it's 電視櫃。 So any drawers， 櫃桶，呢個梳化。 This is it. Thank you. Next lesson we are going to talk about, now there's a bonus part. Next lesson we're going to talk about TV, anything related to watching TV. There's a bonus. The bonus is this one. Normally people would just say 窗簾 curtain, the most common one, curtain, 窗簾. And then this is the Roman 羅馬簾. I don't know why they call it 羅馬簾, because this one look more like Roman. 羅馬簾. So this is just 窗簾, 羅馬簾. And then this is 百葉簾, 百葉簾. 百 is like 100, 葉 is the list, 百葉簾. Okay, nice. So this matter to women. For us, I prefer this one. I prefer 羅馬簾. But 羅馬簾is not very practical. Like, no. So I prefer this one. 窗簾. 我比較鍾意窗簾. 好啦, see you later.